Sydney Vintage Car Rally. Tilak sending it. Passenger. Oh. Tilak, you look so mad. You look so.
No, I had to fire it up.
Okay. And what all? So what all is the procedure for starting it up?
One second. Just parts and lots of heartaches on the way.
And that's the passion between you and your dad.
Yes.
To bring these cars back to life.
And then we finally decided, okay, we'll upgrade the engine as well.
And
So we changed it to a larger.
And this is also an interesting part because you're also a part of a family business.
Oh yeah.
Right.
Which we work together.
Yeah.
always. And then this is I grew up, I think, watching my father do all these.
Yeah.
All this and watching. No, he involved me a lot in all this. So we were late entrants into cars.
So tell me the story. How did you find this car?
So it belonged to a friend of my father,
Okay.
Suresh Sitaram.
Okay.
So I think at some point he was not able to maintain it anymore.
This is
So he
Suresh Sitaraman of DC Comics.
stopped. DC. Yeah.
Oh wow. Okay.
So he had actually in fact was worked in Singapore. This is what the story that he told me.
Okay.
And this belonged to his boss in Singapore.
Oh wow.
So he used to, as a kid, as a youngster working in Singapore, he lusted after the car. He was
Right.
really like ruling over the car the whole time.
Okay.
And so when his boss was leaving or retiring, Suresh bought it off him, brought it from Singapore back to Bangalore.
That must have been a fun journey.
Yes, I mean, no, like ship.
Yeah.
It was parked here. When it was parked by him, then he didn't use it for
And
many
sitting in
years.
Alsur.
He was sitting also in his garage.
Yeah.
Two cars actually, two lovely cars.
Okay. And you picked up both?
No, I couldn't afford to buy both.
Okay. Okay.
But he wanted to sell both. He was done with it. It lay there for like 10 years before he decided to sell it.
Okay.
So unfortunately, a few mechanics had put their hands into it.
Oh, no.
Before I got it.
Okay.
Fiddled with it and we had mess of it.
Right.
So we had to then.
Re-
And then of course,
re-
because
re-put
it
it
was standing
together.
for so many years, it was rusty. That was a problem.
Okay.
Which we didn't realize when you saw it in the garage. But
Right.
when we took it back home, we were like, okay, it's been rusty. It's not an issue. So we had to then rebuild the car.
Okay. And rebuilding these cars is another
It's
joy.
a 2 to 3 year process.
Hi.
Running well.
Oh, the drag race is on. Do we send it? No.
No.
Sunday spirited drive.